So we'll do things where we come in and approach a couple different ways to help stimulate those areas of the spine, the spinal cord, the nerve roots that come out from there. We're focused right now into the lower back, the lumbar spine, the sacrum, and the pelvis are the big ones. You doing okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Is that too much?
No, it feels great.